hygiene are best practices to ensure a night of healthy sleep. Lucid dreamers want to maximize the quality of their sleep to optimize their chances of inducing a lucid dream. Good sleep equals good dreaming. Let's review some tips to encourage quality sleep. Try to implement as many of these tips into your sleep routine as possible. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up in the morning at the same time each day, even on weekends. Plan for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Depending on your job, whether or not you have young children, and health issues may limit your ability to ensure a consistent sleep schedule, but try your best. Your body will soon fall into a natural rhythm, and it will help you identify which sleep cycles to target for lucid dreaming. Avoid screens or any devices that emit blue light for at least 30 minutes prior to bed. Screens emit light that stimulates the parts of our brain responsible for secreting melatonin, the chemical that makes us feel sleepy and turns off our brains at bedtime. If you aren't sleepy at bedtime, try reading a book or writing in a journal. Avoid vigorous exercise 1 hour before bed. Exercise in general will reduce anxiety and promote healthy sleep, but exercising too close to bedtime will keep you awake and lead to poor sleep quality. Avoid caffeinated beverages and food at least 6 hours before bed. Caffeine can stay in your system long after the stimulating effects wear off, keeping you awake or causing you to wake up in the middle of the night. Optimize your bed and bedroom for healthy sleep. Keep the bedroom cool, dark, and relaxing. The ideal temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Invest in a quality mattress, pillow, and linens if possible. Use your bed for sex and sleep only. This way, your brain will equate slipping into bed with bedtime rather than TV or cell phone time. Have a relaxing bedtime routine. Prior to sleep, try stretching, meditating, or drink some herbal tea. Read a book, or better yet, read your dream journal to get you in dream mode. Wear earplugs and a sleep mask. These aren't essential, but they are helpful. Darkness releases melatonin, which will make you sleepy. Earplugs will eliminate disruptful noises that might keep you awake or wake you up in the middle of the night. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential for memory and will increase your dream recall. Dehydration negatively affects melatonin. Not only will optimizing your sleep hygiene increase your dream recall and improve your lucid dream practice, they will lead to a more healthy, restful sleep. Good quality sleep can boost your immune system, prevent weight gain, strengthen your heart, and improve your mood. Good sleep is just as important as physical exercise and a healthy diet to your overall health.